hair transplantation surgery done back in maybe around 29 or 2010. At that time I had just minimal hair loss. It was just beginning to get my hair just losing. So I just did some research, not a very big research. At that time there were not very many doctors in the market. So as I just started searching in the metro cities, so I just picked up New Delhi as it's close to us, and so I just went to one of the doctors over there, and he's really a senior doctor though, and I just got my surgery done, and it just took a couple days, just a day to have this done, maybe a few hours, and hoping to get the good results. So, but yeah, so the results are in front of you. Everything else looks okay, but the hairline, that's the one of the main thing that everybody picked up on the hairline. They can tell that this is a hair plantation get done, but it doesn't look natural. So that's what I just after a few years now I have more hair loss and I wanted to get it repaired and fixed. So I just did some research again. This time did a good research and get a word from my friends and lots of people and from the website. So I went to Dr. Tejinder Bhatti today at Darling Butts. Hope it will get everything redone, repaired, and we'll get a good results. And that's my hopes from now.
When was the procedure done?
It's in New Delhi.
In New Delhi. When? Which year?
Oh,
was it
it's done in, I think, 2010 or 2009, end of 29.
How many grafts are placed?
750.
750 grafts. And the hairline, it was your choice or the doctor's choice?
It's doctor's choice. There's just a very minimal hair loss, like from this place and this one. Maybe from the left it was more like till here. So I just told her I need to get the hair plantation done. He said, okay, we can get it done, and he just made a hairline. So because I didn't knew what's the hair plantation looks like or what to do, I just trusted the doctor. Whatever he recommended me, I said, okay, you guys know better. So he just did whatever.
And how old are you?
I'm 32 now.
Was this procedure done through strip surgery or FUE?
FUE.